There's been a lot of talk about speech integration into ChatGPT. So what I want to try this morning is Windows 11 already has an excellent speech-to-text function, and it's easily accessible in any place where you type. You simply have to hit the Windows key and the H key, and it starts up that function. So let's start it up. That's the Windows key and the H key. And as you see, it now pops up. It's listening. All I have to do is hit the microphone. And once I do that, what I say is what gets typed. Right now, I have Notepad open. So let's go ahead and do something in here. I'm about to test the new voice to text feature in ChatGPT by invoking the simple Windows and H key function in Windows 11, which allows you to talk and type. A great little feature for those of us who aren't very good typists. I'll stop the recording here in Notepad. I'll swap over to ChatGPT and we'll try it over there and see what happens. In a previous video, I had shown you how to create a shortcut so that you can open up ChatGPT directly from the shortcut or the pinned web app to ChatGPT on your taskbar. So let's now click on it, open up ChatGPT. Let's go to chat, and this is where it has Ask Me Anything. So I'm going to invoke again the Windows and H key. Please tell me about the integration of voice to text that's now been said to work within ChatGPT. I'm using the built-in function in Windows 11, and it seems to be working. Is that correct? There you see it. The answer is coming directly from ChatGPT, and we don't have to wait for anything. There's a nice description laid out for us. I just thought I'd give it a try. It's nice to see that it works. I don't have to wait for anything else to be added. From now on, if I have something to converse with ChatGPT, I'll simply start doing it with my voice. It works a lot better than my fingers. Hope this helps. Put it to use. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.